So in this video, we're going to create an RSI oversold bot that we can execute on CTrader. So first of all, we'll create our prompt in TradrLab. So we'll say RSI crosses below 30. Send that off to the AI. It's going to interpret what we're saying. It's going to turn it into a mathematical model. And then it's going to run it across years of historical data. But first, we get what we call a rephrasing. And this rephrasing allows us to confirm whether it's understood the prompt correctly. And if it's not correct, we can correct it. And it also helps us reduce hallucinations. But it comes back with something like this. So the RSI relative strength index crosses below 30. That looks good to me. So we can click generate. And now it's going to look through the historical data and find everywhere this has occurred. We're going to get some stats like how many times it's happened, what time of the day it's happening most, what day of the week it's happening most, and what month of the year it's happening most. And we can filter that data and start to sort of visually analyze it as well. But the main thing we're going to look at today is creating a bot from this information. But if we scroll down, we can see things like how many times it has happened, as I said, and we get these histograms that we can filter and find some more information about. But let's jump straight into creating this as a bot. So first things first, we can see this little blue dot is appearing every time the RSI is crossed below 30. I'm going to open up the query window again and click query scenario this time. And I'm going to say, I want to create this scenario as a bot for CTrader. I want to buy and have a stop of, let's say 10 pips and a take profit of 30. So let's generate that, or let's send it off and see what kind of response we get. Hopefully it'll just be a few seconds. It'll come back and we'll produce the code, which we can just go ahead and copy and paste into CTrader. Hopefully no errors, and we can generate a bot and get it running within a few minutes. Okay, so let's take a look. So it's given us some reasoning, what it's going to do. Okay, entry point, blah, 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 entry price. Okay, can you produce the code? So it hasn't actually produced the code yet. So I'm going to say, can you produce the code for this bot, please? We'll say please. We'll be nice and polite. Maybe it will be nicer to us. So let's take a look. Okay, so now we've produced some code. I'm not going to spend any time reading through it. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste it. All the information within these three dots is what we need. So we'll do Control C, copy, click on CTrader. And now we're going to click new. We're going to enter our new bot name. We'll call this RSI oversold. Click create, copy and paste our code. We'll click build. Any errors? Doesn't look like it. Let's click trade. Let's come back to here. Let's click this little bot button, find RSI oversold, add to chart, click play. This is on 1 minute. Now this is now running live. If I was to add the RSI in here as well, we can see how close this is to being executed. I mean, at the moment we are well away from being at 30. So we're not going to see any trades immediately, but what we can do is go ahead and just run a back test on this. So we can go click here, and we can click, where are we, back test. If we click play, and we've got a history of trades here that took not many. We could open this right up or do it on a lower time frame so we can see some more trades. Let's go and do it on a 1 minute. Let's rerun that. And there we have it. A load of trades. As you could probably imagine, it doesn't make any money according to this back test. But this bot is now running live on a demo account, and I'll keep you updated with any trades that it does take